Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Supreme. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for skill enhancement in your career. In this video, we will learn about how to handle drop-down menu or buttons. So there are like some types of drop-down is there. One is a simple drop-down menu and second one is advanced drop-down menu. So first we will check how to select any value of that from the drop-down as a simple drop-down. We'll go to the website. This is our website which is related to drop-down. Last time also we used the same. So here drop down is there. We can mention like the simple drop down menu. So here like this is drop down is there. We can click on that and we can select any of the with sugar, black, with cream and sugar, like this is there. When you refresh, by default it will be select with the with cream. So this is like simple drop down is there. Let us start at the test case on this how to handle on simple drop down. We go to the VS. In last video we learned about that radio button and checkbox. Today we'll create another files. Right click on that, new file, drop down menu dot cy means Cypress dot js means JavaScript. We'll start describe, that is not required. Drop down menu test. Okay, we have to keep inside that double quotations, comma, you can use function. Okay, now we are creating it block. We have to define simple drop down button menu. Okay, it is very simple related to the drop downs. It's very easy and simple, and we want to add the assertion also. Simple drop down but menu with assertion also we have to check. See, assertion is very important when you want to do any of the test cases. So assertion is required. We will discuss about the assertion this point again. We already learned about the assertions, and that is very important topic when you want to do any of the test cases. So we have to check is whatever button click or whatever we selected anyone. For example, related to this drop down, if you select that black, so after selecting the black, should the black is there or selected or not, this type of session is required. This is the quality of test cases. Okay, first we have visit that URL, and this is a visit URL. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to take the selector of this one, locators. Okay, we got to right click on that page and select inspect, and we can select that selector. Okay, we are going selector is copy is there. Okay, okay, and what is this type? Select either or input tag. Okay, we'll take this one. Okay, cy dot get is there to select any of the elements, and you can know about that double quotation and single quotations. Okay, now what is that? Okay, if you want to select, we have a select function to select any of the values. That is very easy. So dot select is our command functions. Okay, in the function we can give the any name, it will be select directly. Okay, so for example here, by default what is coming here by default is coming as a with cream, so we want to select black, so we will select the black. Okay, and assertion also is required. Should is a function. We have to b dot So sorry, have dot value, right? Have dot value. What value is it expecting? Black. Okay, so now this is the text of the black, but here if we are going value is small b is there, but when you want to select text it's black b. So if you are checking have dot value, it should be the b should be small. If you are checking have dot text, then it is the capital. So multiple accessories there. So this is like first way to handle that one. First way to handle drop down buttons. Okay, we will start that our Cypress. Okay, our Cypress is getting started. Select it testing. Select the browser. Start it testing in Chrome, and our test case name is drop down. Drop down menu. Okay, click on that. So it should be the select the black, and after that it should be the assertion should be there. Okay, you're launching the browser. Okay, it's black is selected. You can see selected have value is black. Value is black. Okay, it's already selected black. So first way is that to handle that one. Second way is like we can use any of that index also. With index number also we are able to select. Suppose index number here. Okay, no, sorry. Okay, here index number you can know 0 1 2 3 4 is there. Okay, for example you will take by default is coming uh, with cream is there. Okay, with cream second one is coming, and suppose you will take the with sugar will take. Okay, so see 0 1 2 2, otherwise you will take 3. Okay, 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 3 is there. So you want to take this one, so select 3. If you add the directly select 3, it will be selecting directly 3 of that element. Okay, like this. Okay, now what will happen if you are save 3 means what is that value? What is the value of that 3? Regular. Regular you have to add. Okay, here we have to add regular. Like second way also we are able to handle. Like I will keep the some delay because we have to get to know it's selecting correctly or not. Okay, we save, and our cycle is running. You can know first black, after that with cream and sugar, and this value is regular. Okay, this is the example of the basic drop down button have to handle. Okay, now we are understanding about that advanced level. Advanced level like is there in down also it is there. See advanced drop down menu. So here this is the advanced level, you can see here. So you have to select in that. Okay, like this one is select. If you want to select multiple also you will select. So this type of selectors this type of drop down button is there. So you want to select two and like that. So how to select the two, that is also in the we will learn about these things. Okay, so we'll go, we will create, we will copy and paste if block, and we can mention advanced level. Okay, advanced advanced drop down menu. Okay, we'll do advanced drop down menu. Which command is okay, and what is the selector of that? We can check the selector of this. uh, okay, copy to is there, everything is same. Copy to. Okay. Oh, first example is that like that we have to, we'll remove this thing, this is not required. Okay, first thing is that we have to run the test case. For example, so it is a black is not there, as you know this is a black is not there. Here is like milk, cream is there. Okay, and by default which option is selecting, we'll check. So as per that only we can understand. By default is cream is there, I think. Just a minute. By default cream is there. So in this case what will the, we have to select the both things, like cream, and we can cream, we can select cream, and milk too we can select. So we'll think about that. It will work out. Okay, first we'll do about the cream. So it's the dairy inside that cream is no sorry, skim we will select. First one we will select about that. That is like good because by default cream is there, so skim milk will select. So first option is there to directly can select. Okay, similar type, whatever similar is there, you can select. You can see. Okay, we can save, and our Cypress is running here. Black is coming. Second one, advantage. Okay, you can select the skim milk. It is selected. Skim select. Okay, this is like just the basic. Okay, so now our point is here to select multiple select, like multiple value in the drop down. That is like very challenging for that. That is very important. If someone is asked to you, then you have to explain about these things. Okay, so as you know, if you want to run the test case by default highlighting here, you can see again I'm running a test case, and for this one, see it is highlighting yellow. This color is changed. If you select the both, then it's like you select like this way selecting. So we have to select like this way. Okay, so we have to start. Okay, so same function is there, select, but here we have to give that both the name. To name you have to give, like we'll give this one like this way. This is a format should be the same, then only it will work. Okay, so first one skip, second one will take as the milk 2. Okay, we'll take the milk 2 from here. This is the milk 2. Okay, and okay, these two things are there, and we want to select. It should be the force click should be there because it generally is not select. We have to do the force click. FORCE, force, force true. It means we have to forcefully we have to select. Okay, and this one normal is there. Okay, so we'll keep one 2 second delay will give, so we'll get to know first is selected this one, later is selected both. We'll see. It's black. Okay, this one cream is selected. Okay, this is getting issue and it's not selecting correct way because what we did, we this selector, this is the function is wrong. This bracket have to close here only. After this one only you have to close and you have to remove from this one. So you guys should be know about that. What is the correct one process? Let's run again. What will happen? Okay, you can see now what is happen. First select the scheme, and second time you select the both the things. See, you can see. Okay, we will comment this line of code, so you'll get to know. Okay, two things were scheme, milk, and milk 2%. Okay, that one is should be select. You can see. We have to scroll down. See, selected. Okay, so this is the two types of drop down we are handling and different way. Okay, this is advanced drop down menu.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new videos.